The SCCP used to be a highly productive tobacco factory, but what does it look like now? When entering the factory for the first time, you may find the layout puzzling and get lost easily. To solve this problem, imagine you're a bird looking down from above. You will see that the factory is rectangular shaped and divided into two roughly equal parts. The building's layout is symmetrical, both from east to west and from north to south. Walking through the square corridor that surrounds the building and its connecting corridors, you'll enjoy abundant sunlight from windows along each pathway. On the first floor of the factory, there are multiple neatly arranged thick columns. They would support the second floor, where there were many heavy machines and no columns. The workers on the first floor dealt with sorting and shredding tobacco leaves, while those on the second floor mainly dealt with rolling and packaging cigarettes. The transportation of products between different departments was initially done manually with carts and later by conveyor belts. The finished products were also transported to the warehouse via a conveyor belt on the second floor. The design of the entire factory greatly facilitated the production process and was highly efficient. Besides improving the flow of production, the factory also prioritized employees' welfare and needs. There were amenities, such as a clinic and separate bathhouses for men and women. There was a huge auditorium on the second floor, which also served as the dining hall. The catering room was on the first floor, and food was elevated to the second floor by a dumbwaiter. The auditorium was spacious enough to accommodate as many as 1,000 people. Apart from being a lunch place, it was also the venue for various entertainment events for the employees.